went on a 1,000 boat ride before. Remember we went earlier when you were younger?
Oh yeah, right.
And this time we're gonna go on a bigger boat cruise, 1,000 island cruise ship. And after that, after we finish, we're gonna drive more to the Montreal and stay in the hotel. Alright, buddy?
Okay.
Okay? You're gonna be tired? You're gonna have enough energy?
Yeah.
There's a bee! It was just on me.
Well, it'll take a long time to drive there.
How long, Mommy?
3 hours.
3 more hours? Okay. Is that long? It's basically the same distance from our house to here.
Oh.
Is that long?
Yeah.
You're gonna sleep.
That is really long.
Yeah. Let's go right to the water.
All the waves look big, but they never go on enough.
Why is it purple? Looks like a dollhouse.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Cool, right?
3 wheels.
3-wheeler, yep. He has 3 wheels too, yeah. Wow, look at that. That car is cool, man. Did we go up there? No.
That's where ghosts live.
Oh my lord. Let's go in there. Ghost adventure.
No.
Come on. Let's go in this house. Dude. Let's go in this house.
Is that poison ivy?
No.
Show me on YouTube what it looks like.
Sure. Yeah, go see it. Read it. It says this is historic site was donated to the Horticultural Society.
Why does squirrel eat wood?
Wood? What wood? No. They eat, well, you can go down there. There's a ramp. Can't stop. Watch out, there's water. There's water right there. It's wet. Oh no, he's just stepped on it. Wow, look at that. Tyler, Canada goose. Tyler. Yeah. Oh, duck. Okay. Thanks. 谢谢. Be careful. There's Canada goose poop everywhere. Yeah. Oh, watch out. Oh my God, dude, it's everywhere. Hey. Look at this. Wow, so rushed, man.
It's going so fast.
Yeah.
那这边多好。
Oh, look at that car.
Wow, cool. I like race cars.
Oh, look at that car.
What? That's nothing. Oh, look at this.
Whoa.
Whoa. 走了. You want one of your own? Oh. boat.
No, it doesn't have. I forgot the like
The sail?
Yeah.
You don't put up the sail yet. They got a dinghy there. See? They're like this small little tiny boat.
Another dinky. Why do you start having the small boat?
So you can get to the island. What's up? Stand there. What? What's wrong? What's wrong? Really?
No,
Yeah.
he's not. He just rides it.
Oh. Look at the waves.
It's getting soft.
Yep. Hey, not too high. You're gonna fall. You should come upstairs. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful upstairs. You don't want to go? You know they sell these islands for like $1 before?
Where?
$1 to $2 back in 1800. That's what they were saying. And they're also saying that what is considered to be an island is has to have 2 trees minimum. And
That's 2 trees.
yeah, that's an island. 2 trees and 6 feet by 6 feet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
that
so
one.
E R 3 See? E R 3 go.
那俩劲儿挺大的。
You gotta come sit over here. Come. E R 3 go. You gotta keep your wrist straight. Oh. What the? Nope. Where are they? Where are they?
There they are.
Where? Hi. Welcome home. Man, we were waiting here for like an hour. Yee. There's a lot of motorcycle here. A lot of one of those Harley Davidson motorcycle. What's wrong with you here? Earwax?
No.
Here is a true Canadian chili.
Oh.
And bread. Come with the bread.